Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi. I'm back in my village and stupid chicken. I'm back in my village for Christmas celebrations, and every time I come back there's a new addition to the family. Today we have Toki. Say hello, Toki. Toki means spotted, and I want to take this opportunity to apologize to all of my viewers and people who have left comments. I'm sorry I've not been able to respond to them because I've been super busy. I'm in the process of shifting my base from Chennai to beautiful Coorg, and I promise I will respond to them at the earliest. And in today's video I'm going to take you to my garden to tell you what I'm going to cook. Let's go. Today we are going to cook a Laisac with pork or mustard greens with pork. This is something that is made in our home and it is not very authentic. It is my version of mustard greens and pork. The general term for mustard greens here is Laisac, although there are many different kinds of mustard that is available. This is slightly less pungent in comparison to other mustards, and this is the Chinese mustard that we grow here in our village. Oh my god, I can see some beautiful coriander. I'm going to take some for the recipe. This is as fresh as it can get. I think this should do. One more thing before we leave the garden. Come. Of course, I'm talking about the lemons. Look at the size of this lemon. It is the size of my face. I'm gonna choose a smaller one. Oh my god, that was so embarrassing. I just got scolding from my mom. I plucked them thinking these were coriander. Don't they just look like coriander leaves? They're actually baby carrots, and I'm gonna go replace them and get the actual coriander. The ingredients required to make this dish are half a kg of pre-boiled pork, 2 onions finely sliced, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 chilies, 2 potatoes cubed, 1 lemon, salt for seasoning, a few stalks of coriander, and a bunch of Laisac or mustard greens. So let's get started. I'm not making use of any cooking oil. I'm making use of the pork fat instead. You can make use of any oil if you like. In a preheated pan, add in some pork fat. Once the fat is hot, you can add the ginger garlic paste. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Let the raw smell of the ginger and garlic paste go away. Looks like the ginger and garlic paste has browned. Now let's add in the onions and chilies. Oh my god, I completely forgot about the turmeric. Please add turmeric for coloring. Let me go get it quickly. Oh my god, the problems you face if you're cooking outdoors. Got it. Once the onion is cooked, you can add in half a teaspoon of turmeric for coloring. The next thing that you need to add in is the potatoes. The potatoes will take some time to cook, so allow it to cook for some time, and then we can add in the rest of the ingredients. add a little bit of salt so that it helps in the cooking process. Give it a good stir and cover it with a lid. Smells amazing. The potatoes are cooked. Let's add in the pork. Cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for some more time. Meanwhile, while the dish is cooking, let's squeeze some lemon juice. So big, I don't even know how to cut this. About 1 tablespoon of juice should do. Now let's add in the mustard greens, and remember, do not chop them, you can just tear them. Tear them. Give it a nice stir and cover it with a lid and allow it to cook. Now quickly add in the lemon juice. After adding, stir it a little bit. The reason why we add lemon is because the sourness of the lemon balances the fattiness and the oiliness of the pork. Our dish is ready. Let's garnish it with coriander. Our dish is ready and it looks absolutely stunning. I am so hungry and I'm going to quickly go and have this for lunch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and make yourself my version of pork with Laisac at home. I know this video would probably come up late, but I would like to wish each and every one of my viewers a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And I will see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Until then,